right, it was a dramatic day in the trial of Sean Diddy Combs. The judge threatened to remove Combs from the courtroom for interacting with the jury. And jurors heard graphic testimony from a recent ex-girlfriend yesterday. Combs has pleaded not guilty to federal charges. Jerika Duncan is following the trial, and we want to warn you the details are disturbing.
An ex-girlfriend of Sean Diddy Combs took the stand Thursday afternoon, using the pseudonym Jane to protect her privacy. Jane said the relationship, which began in 2021, took a turn when Combs arranged for her to have sex with a male escort while Combs watched. Jane began to cry on the stand as she testified that night opened up, quote, a Pandora's box. She described how the sexual encounters with escorts started happening every time she saw Combs, typically lasting 24 to 30 hours or more, even though Jane allegedly told Combs repeatedly that she only wanted to have sex with him. Jane, who is a single mother, explained that she had to be ready at a moment's notice for Combs. She told jurors that she felt, quote, obligated to meet his sexual demands. And that feeling, quote, really started to stem from the fact that my partner was paying my rent.
The government's theory of the case is the sex trafficking took place through force, fraud, or coercion. And coercion, I think, is what they're leaning into with respect to Jane in this instance.
Separately, during the cross-examination of Brianna Bongolan, who accused Combs of dangling her over a 17-story balcony, the judge told the defense that Combs was at times, quote, nodding vigorously and looking at the jury, which is not allowed. The judge sternly warned that if Combs' behavior continues, he could ultimately get thrown out of court.
And I would bet that Combs' attorneys had a very strong conversation with him about just how important and just how serious of an issue this is moving forward.
Now, where the media sits, we see a profile of Combs when he turns to the jury. Now, keep in mind the small lectern where the attorneys argue from is right in front of where the jurors sit. Combs, again, was very expressive, particularly when his attorney revealed a contradiction in the testimony of Bongolan. Tony?
Interesting. Jerika, thank you very much. Appreciate it.